In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bleep swears in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find every swear, mute it cleanly, or swap it with a classic censor beep, all while keeping your video flowing naturally. Start by opening CapCut and importing your clip into a new project. Pull the clip onto the timeline and zoom in so you can see the audio waveform clearly. Play through and listen for each swear. If you want extra precision, enable auto captions. Then skim the generated subtitles to quickly spot the words you need to censor. As you find each spot, pause right at the beginning of the word. Select the clip and tap Split to cut at the start of the swear. Move a little past the end of the word and split again. This gives you a short segment that contains only the swear. If you prefer to edit audio separately, select the clip and tap Detach Audio so you can work just on the sound without affecting the picture. For a simple mute, select the swear segment and lower the volume to 0. Play it back to confirm the silence is tight and doesn't clip the beginnings or ends of nearby words. If you hear breaths or consonants leaking through, nudge your splits a frame earlier or later until it sounds natural. To keep pacing smooth, you can add a tiny fade in or fade out on the audio before and after the muted segment. If you want a classic bleep instead of silence, tap Audio, choose Sound Effects, and search for beep or censor. Download a short beep, then add it to the timeline on a new audio track. Drag and align the beep so it starts exactly where the swear begins, and trim its tail so it ends with the word. Adjust the beep's volume so it's clearly audible but not painfully loud compared to the rest of your mix. Repeat this process for each swear. To speed things up, copy one well-timed beep and paste it at the next swear. Then fine-tune the alignment. Keep an eye on the waveform to match peaks with the start of the word. If your beep is slightly longer than the swear, trim it so it never overlaps the next syllable. When you're done, watch the entire section with headphones and speakers if possible. Make sure every censor is tight, volumes are consistent, and there are no awkward gaps. Finally, export your video with your usual settings. For next time, save your preferred beep to favorites so you can drop it in instantly on future edits.